Today we're visiting the journey of Aston Martin Company. Stay tuned. In 1913, Lionel Martin and Robert Bamford wished to make fascinating cars. The name? Aston comes from the famous Aston Hill climb, where Martin raced, and Martin for Lionel Martin himself. Their first car hit the road in 1915, but World War I put their dreams on hold as the factory shifted to making aircraft parts for the war effort. After the war, Aston Martin returned to the track, quickly earning a reputation for building fast, beautiful machines. But the financial troubles nearly ended the dream more than once, and the company changed hands several times in its early years. Still, Aston Martin's cars made waves at British races. The legendary Ulster and International models became favourites among racing enthusiasts, and the brand's racing DNA was set in stone. World War II hit, and once again a setback, but Aston Martin survived. In 1947, a new era began when industrialist David Brown took the wheel. His initials DB would soon become legendary. Brown's vision launched the iconic DB series, DB2, DB4, and the legendary DB5. These cars were so popular. Through the 60s and 70s, Aston Martin pushed boundaries with bold designs and new technology. The DBS and V8 Vantage roared onto the scene, while the company faced more financial potholes and even flirted with bankruptcy. But the spirit never broke. Ownership changed hands multiple times, but the brand's relentless pursuit of perfection never wavered. In the 90s, Ford Company stepped in, bringing new technology and helping Aston Martin. The DB7, launched in 1994, became the best-selling Aston ever at the time. The 2000s saw the birth of modern legends like the Vantage, Vanquish, and the breathtaking 177. These cars lit up both the streets and the big screen, starring in films and thrilling car lovers worldwide. The 177, limited to just 77 units, became an instant collector's item. From then on, the company never looked behind. Today, Aston Martin blends classic style with cutting-edge performance. The DBX SUV broke new ground, the Valkyrie hypercar redefined speed, and the timeless Vantage continues to turn heads. Each model is a fusion of tradition and innovation. Racing is in Aston Martin's blood. From Le Mans victories in the 1950s to a triumphant return to F1, the brand's racing DNA is stronger than ever. Technological innovation has always been at the heart of Aston Martin. From pioneering lightweight materials to advanced aerodynamics and hybrid powertrains, the company continues to push the limits of what's possible on four wheels. From tiny workshop to global icon, Aston Martin's journey is fascinating, fueled by passion, innovation, and a touch of British swagger. Every new model pushes the limits of design, technology, and pure driving excitement. So next time you see that winged badge, remember, it's not just a car. It's a symbol of relentless ambition. If you loved this deep dive, hit the like button and subscribe.